This vanilla cake is incredibly soft, moist and topped with smooth buttercream. Start by whisking butter and oil together. This combination gives the cake both flavor and moisture. Add sugar and mix until well combined. Sift in half the flour and baking powder. Mix briefly at low speed. Do not overmix, this keeps the cake soft. Pour into a lined pan and bake at 170 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes. Spread the buttercream over the cooled cake. Add a light jam swirl for extra flavour. Look at that, soft sponge with creamy frosting. If you like soft cakes, you'll love my other cakes too.